my brothers. Welcome back. Today's video is not just another message. It is a reminder, a wake-up call, and a mirror for every man who is walking through a season of solitude. This video is about the true power hidden inside staying single, a topic many men misunderstand, ignore, or even fear. We're going to dive deep into why solitude is not loneliness, but a form of strength. Why stepping back from relationships can actually help a man rebuild his identity, sharpen his focus, reclaim his peace, and reconnect with his purpose. This video is about understanding that staying single is not a setback. It is a strategic season. A season where a man evolves mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and financially. A season where he discovers who he is, without distractions, without pressure, and without bending himself to fit someone else's expectations. So before we begin, my brothers, make sure you subscribe to the Stoic Men Tribe. Like this video, leave a comment, share it with another man who needs this message, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our deeper teachings on strength, discipline, and masculine growth. Now, let's explore the profound freedom, clarity, and power found in staying single, and why this phase may be one of the most important chapters in a man's entire life: the freedom to build without distractions. When a man chooses to stay single with intention, he steps into a rare kind of freedom, a freedom that most men never experience because they are constantly pulled in 1,000 emotional directions. This chapter is about that freedom and why it is one of the greatest advantages a man can ever have. In a relationship, even a good one, a man is often required to divide his time, energy, and focus. His emotions become intertwined with someone else's. His decisions are influenced, his priorities shift, and parts of his ambition naturally take a back seat. That's normal, but it's not always productive for a man who is still building himself. When you are single, you take all of that scattered energy and you redirect it back into your life, your purpose, and your future. A man with no distractions becomes unstoppable. Suddenly, you have the mental space to think clearly. You have the emotional space to heal deeply. You have the financial space to build wisely. You have the time and discipline to reinvent yourself. And most importantly, you have the freedom to move with purpose instead of obligation. Being single gives you the breathing room to work on the things you once ignored: your career, your fitness, your discipline, your habits, your spiritual grounding, your self-respect, your goals that were collecting dust. This is where a man separates himself from the average. Because while others are tied up in drama, arguments, and emotional chaos, you're quietly building the life they will later envy. A man who is not tied to distractions becomes more dangerous in silence than most men are in noise. You start waking up earlier. You start working harder. You start improving your mindset. You start saving more, learning more, achieving more. You start moving closer to the man you always pictured in your mind, but never had the space to become. This is why the single season is sacred. It allows a man to build the foundation of his empire without interruptions. And let's be honest, many men lose themselves in relationships because they enter them before they know their own value. They give too much. They bend too much. They sacrifice too much. Not out of weakness, but out of a desire to feel loved. But when a man uses his solitude correctly, he learns to fill those empty spaces himself. He becomes his own motivation, his own validation, his own source of strength. The rise of a man's standards. One of the most powerful transformations a man experiences when he chooses to stay single with purpose is the elevation of his standards, not just in relationships, but in life. in people, in habits, and in himself. This chapter is about how solitude raises a man's standards and why this shift becomes a turning point in his evolution. When a man is constantly surrounded by emotional noise, unhealthy attachments, or situations that drain him, he becomes blind to how low his standards may have fallen. He tolerates disrespect. He accepts inconsistency. He ignores red flags. He sacrifices pieces of himself just to keep the peace. But when he steps into solitude, when he pulls back from the chaos, something powerful happens. He sees everything clearly. Being single gives a man a rare mirror, one that reflects what he truly desires, what he truly deserves, and what he can no longer allow in his life. This clarity is not available when a man is emotionally entangled. It appears only when he is alone, honest, and grounded. Slowly, your standards begin to rise. You reject inconsistent energy. You avoid drama. You value loyalty and peace. You choose respect over excitement. You prefer truth over temporary affection. You seek alignment, not attention. And for the first time in a long time, you stop lowering your standards just to avoid being alone, because solitude no longer scares you. You begin to understand that being single with peace is far better than being connected in chaos. This is where the evolution begins. You start demanding more from yourself. You start expecting more from life. You start requiring more from the people around you. Your standards rise in every area. Emotionally, you refuse relationships that drain you or make you doubt yourself. Mentally, you guard your mind from negativity, manipulation, and self-sabotage. Spiritually, you protect your peace like it's gold. Financially, you stop wasting money and start building wealth and discipline. Socially, you surround yourself only with people who support your growth. As your standards rise, you begin to outgrow old versions of yourself. The version that settled, the version that tolerated too much, the version that didn't know his worth. Now, you move differently. You speak differently. You choose differently. You expect differently. Because solitude has shown you something most people never see. You are the gatekeeper of your own life. Nothing enters unless you allow it. And the more you value yourself, the more the world begins to reflect that value back to you. This is why staying single can be one of the most transformative seasons for a man. It resets your standards from the inside out. It teaches you what to accept, what to avoid, and what you must protect at all costs. A man with high standards cannot be manipulated, distracted, or controlled. He cannot be bought with attention or deceived with empty promises. He moves with purpose, clarity, and strength. This chapter marks the moment when a man no longer asks, "Am I good enough for them?" but instead asks, "Are they aligned with the man I am becoming?" And that shift is the beginning of true masculine power, the emotional strength that forges a man. One of the greatest gifts a man receives in his single season is the development of emotional strength, the kind of inner power that cannot be given by anyone else and cannot be taken away once it is built. This chapter is about how solitude becomes the training ground for a man's emotional maturity, resilience, and self-control. When a man is constantly involved in relationships, especially unhealthy ones, he often becomes emotionally reactive. He becomes dependent on validation, approval, attention, or affection. His moods rise and fall based on someone else's actions. His peace becomes fragile, easily shaken by arguments, disappointments, or emotional manipulation. But the moment a man steps into solitude with intention, the emotional reshaping begins. In solitude, a man confronts himself, and this confrontation creates emotional strength that cannot be faked. You begin to understand your emotions instead of escaping them. You learn to sit with discomfort instead of running from it. You build self-control because there is no one else to blame, no distraction to hide behind, no chaos to mask your wounds. This is where emotional discipline is born. You start recognizing your emotional triggers. You understand what hurts you, what motivates you, and what calms you. You learn the difference between reacting and responding. You begin to control your impulses instead of letting them control you. And most men do not realize this. A man who masters his emotions becomes a different breed. He becomes more patient, more strategic, more grounded, more confident, more unstoppable. Why? Because he no longer allows temporary emotions to sabotage long-term goals. Solitude teaches a man to process heartbreak without bitterness, to reflect on failure without shame, to rebuild without needing applause, to rise without announcing it. You begin to see your past not as a burden, but as a blueprint, a guide for what to avoid, what to improve, and what to never revisit. The emotional strength you gain in this chapter also protects you in future relationships. You stop falling for manipulation. You stop tolerating emotional chaos. You stop attaching yourself to people who drain your peace. You stop confusing excitement with love and attention with loyalty. Instead, you learn to value emotional stability, both in yourself and in others. You learn to walk away when something doesn't align with your peace. You learn to stay calm, even when life becomes intense. You learn to control your reactions, your energy, and your direction. And this is what makes you powerful. Because the strongest men are not those who never feel, but those who feel deeply and still maintain their balance. The purpose that awakens within a man. There comes a point in a man's single journey where something deeper begins to stir inside him. A calling, a vision, a direction he can no longer ignore. This chapter is about that awakening. The rise of a man's purpose and why solitude creates the perfect environment for it to emerge. When a man is constantly distracted by relationships, by emotional demands, by the need to please others, his purpose becomes blurry. His goals become secondary. His dreams become distant. He becomes so busy trying to maintain everything outside of him that he forgets what he was meant to build within himself. But when a man embraces solitude, when he steps back from noise and emotional chaos, his purpose begins to speak again. Solitude removes the fog. It clears the mental space for reflection. It reminds a man of the life he once envisioned, but drifted away from. And once that purpose awakens, a powerful shift happens. A man finally remembers why he was created. You begin to identify what truly matters to you, not what society expects, not what others want from you, but what your soul is pulling you toward. You start to see the difference between distraction and destiny. You begin to separate short-term pleasure from long-term fulfillment. You start choosing the path that aligns with your growth instead of your comfort. This is why many men discover their greatest ambitions in their single season. Your dreams become clearer. Your vision becomes sharper. Your goals become non-negotiable. Because now your energy is no longer scattered. It is focused. It is directed. It is disciplined. You start investing in your future with purpose. You work harder on your craft. You build your finances with intention. You improve your body with discipline. You expand your mind through learning. You strengthen your character through consistency. And each step forward reinforces the truth. I am not just existing. I am becoming. Purpose gives a man something relationships cannot always provide: direction, identity, meaning, and fulfillment that come from within. It becomes the compass that guides your actions, guards your decisions, and shapes your destiny. And here is the hidden blessing of staying single with intention. You get to build your purpose without compromise, without apology, without distraction, without sacrificing your mission for someone else's comfort. This doesn't mean you avoid love forever. It means when love does enter your life, you come into it as a complete, driven, grounded man. A man who knows where he is going. A man who cannot be led off his path. A man whose purpose is unshakable. Because a man with purpose is a man with power. He stops chasing people and starts attracting opportunities. He stops begging for attention and starts commanding respect. He stops living day to day and starts building a legacy. Your purpose becomes the anchor of your masculinity. It becomes the fuel that wakes you up in the morning, the discipline that shapes your habits, the focus that builds your future, the fire that keeps you moving when others quit. This chapter marks the moment when a man realizes, my single season was not loneliness. It was alignment. It was preparation. It was the sharpening of my purpose. And once a man discovers his purpose, nothing and no one can stop him from becoming the man he was destined to be. Comment below. What part of today's affirmation, what you think you become, resonated with you most deeply? Why do you think it struck a chord? Your insight might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. And if you're serious about changing the way you think and showing up as your highest self every single day, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss your daily mental reset.